But a lot of people have to compensate here by turning the feet out in order to get themselves down deep into a squat. I'm here to tell you that you actually can squat with your feet straight, you just have to figure out what's causing the problem. What's up, team? Welcome back to another episode of Excellence in Motion. There's this idea out there that we should be able to squat all the way to full available depth with our feet straight. And that pisses a lot of people off because it's really hard. It's hard for us to keep our feet straight and turn the knees out, keep the torso upright, maintain lumbar stability, and get down into an organized squat. The reason it pisses people off is because it's really hard and people don't understand where they're going wrong and what mobility faults are causing that. I'm here to tell you that you can squat with your feet straight, and here's how you can check to see if you're able to do so and what you can do to move forward and try to improve some of that stuff so that you can start squatting with a little bit more pristine. So check this out. What we're really after is the ability for us to straighten the feet out, keep them organized, keeping the foot pressure even so that we're not too far on the toes, too far back on the heels, create enough torque through the hips and an upright torso that we can squat down and stay as organized as possible. If we feel like we're losing some of that pressure, we kind of pull ourselves up. But a lot of people have to compensate here by turning the feet out in order to get themselves down deep into a squat. I'm here to tell you that you actually can squat with your feet straight, you just have to figure out what's causing the problem. What we can do to sort of test this theory is elevate the heels on something like a plate or a slant board and do what's called a cyclist squat. Here, we're loading the quads a lot more than we would the glutes and the hamstrings, but as you can see, you start to sit straight down with a good organized torso, and you can almost sit with your heels down to the ground, knees organized going out, but the feet are nice and straight. The only thing that we changed between this position and this position was the elevation through the heels, and what that tells us is that your ankles are stiff as bricks.
Oh, okay, got that.
If you can loosen up the ankles and get yourself a little bit more of this dorsiflexion motion, which the elevated heels takes away, all of a sudden you're super organized and you're able to get yourself down into a squat with feet straight like you didn't think you would be able to before. So give this a shot. Give yourself a chance to sort of build up some strength and capacity through the quads, but on the outside of that, work on your ankle mobility, improve that, and you might actually improve your squat function. Catch you next time.